On the left-hand side, scroll down until you see Photos. For this example, I'm just going to select a space background photo. I'm going to adjust the duration of this to 2 seconds. And I'm going to add this astronaut on top. I'm going to go ahead and remove the background so that the astronaut is just by itself without the background. And I'm going to adjust the duration of this to 1 second. Move this astronaut right in the middle of this presentation. So I'm going to copy and paste the same astronaut. Now I've made 2 of these same photos. The only difference is now I'm going to select this astronaut and move it to the right. So I'm going to simulate this astronaut moving from the left side to the right side. So I'm going to come over here to the space photo, copy and paste, and now I have 2 space photos here. And so I can come to the middle and add a transition and select match to move. I can adjust the duration, so this will affect the speed of which the astronaut moves from the left to the right. So if I go all the way to the right, it's going to move at a slow speed. Whereas if I drag it to the left and start over again, it's going to move much faster. So that's how you can create your own transitions using just photos. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.